All right, in today's video reference, we're going to learn how to solve equations with fractions inside parentheses. Just like we learned with one fraction, the first step is you have to get the fraction outside by distributing first, and then you can clear. So let's do this first example together, and if I have time, we'll do the second example as well. So you can definitely see here in the first example, there's a fraction here that we need to get outside of parentheses, and fractions outside both parentheses that we need to distribute. So if it helps, you can put little ones underneath here. Does anybody want to distribute the 1/3 on the left side of the equation to tell me what you get? Yes, you'll get 2/3 x plus 1/3. How about someone on the right side? Anybody want to tell me what this equals? 3/4 x minus 2/12. All right, so now we have to clear our fraction. So what's the least common denominator between 3, 4, and 12? So hopefully you said 12. So we're going to multiply everything by little 12s here. And we're going to go ahead and clear our fractions. For the first one, can someone tell me what the first one would clear out to be? Yeah, this would be 8x. Cross simplify. This is a 1 and this is a 4. Plus, how about the second one here? 4 equals, and on the right side, who wants to clear both of these? So if you did it right, you would have got, sorry, I'm going to have to fast forward this. 12. 9x minus 2. Right, so now we can just solve it like we normally would. The next step, minus 8x. So we're left with 4 equals x minus 2. And then what's the final answer going to be? Plus 2 to both sides, and we're left with x equals 6. Okay, so for the next example, why don't we just at least distribute this together, and then you can try with a partner to solve this. So anybody think they can distribute the 1/3? Here. So we'll write this as 3/12 x plus 6/3 minus 7/2. And over here we're left with 3/4 x minus 1/2. Like that. So make sure you have this copied down. Want to clear all those fractions. And it looks like these can be simplified. So maybe we can write it even neater. What is 3/12 and 6/3 simplified to? Yeah, that's really just 1/4 x plus 2 minus 7/2. And on this side, you're left with 3/4 x minus 1/2. All right, good luck solving and clearing this fraction equation.